Hello all and welcome to the Mug Life DIY. This is Julia and today I'm doing the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami, the Latina next door, and this is a monthly open collab that she does every single month, and I just have loved doing them so much. I just posted my little inspiration picture. I wanted a very large, I don't know what they're called. I know it just had a name. The golden terrarium, not saying that right, guys. Geometric shape that I could interchange with different decorations and have it. You guys know I love year-round things, and I looked and I could not find one as big as I wanted it. So this is huge, guys. I will have to measure it, but it's definitely over a foot tall, probably more like 18 inches. So I started with the Dollar Tree bamboo skewers. I had some left over from another project, and I cut the square base out of foam. I actually would recommend, if you have cardboard, I don't know why I used foam, because foam and glue, it doesn't work great. So use cardboard, guys. And I cut my bottom 4 pieces 4 inches, and then I glued them on. Now I'm measuring out the bamboo skewers that I'm going to have around the bottom, and I just basically measured my square that I made, and now I'm gluing them all the way around. This gives me a little bit of a lip for me to add and change out some decorations down at the bottom. Now I started gluing the top cross beams, and I did the same thing. I took my bamboo skewer, measured it out to the size that I wanted, and then I just start hot gluing. Okay, for the top skewers, I just cut 4 pieces the same length, and then I start gluing 2 at a time. And as 2 are semi-stable, I add the other 2 to the other side to give it some stability. And of course, blow drying, because I also changed my mind, which you will see. I thought I wanted it to be black, and I don't know, I changed my mind. I didn't actually have any gold spray paint. If you guys had some, that would probably be the easiest route. This is also kind of a use what you have craft stash video, and I had a little bit left over from some gold paint, so I did that. I spray painted with, it's almost like a bronzy color, and I wasn't a fan of it, so definitely I was able to touch it up with my gold paint, and I think that made a huge difference. Let me know what you guys think of the final product with the gold color, or if you would have preferred it in black. Now this is after the bronzy spray paint that I had found in my garage, and it just, I don't know, I didn't like it, and so I am painting it with some leftover gold paint that I did have, and I really like how it ends up. And for my second inspiration project is, I just love it because it's just a recycled project. Like, sometimes we just need these fun and easy projects. I saw these little fragrance jars, I guess. I'm probably going to add some of my essential oils in them. But I just took, excuse me, my allergies are killing me. So I'm going to just take 3 of my glass jars and get all of the leftover stickiness off with some Goo Gone. I did have to wear a mask, guys, because I get migraines instantly from smells, so word to the wise. And I'm just taking some leftover scrap flower pieces that I had, some green moss, some of this purple flower, because I love blues and purples, and I love adding orange and yellow also to my decor, but that's pretty much all I did. And I did spray paint and paint the little tops, but I think they turned out really beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Now for the tops, one of them I already had with some little holes in it I got from a thrift store haul, but the other 2 are just the tops. I think one is a barbecue sauce, the other one was probably pasta. And I'm just kind of hammering a couple of patterns in them and flattening the back just to kind of give it that illusion that it has the holes in it. And then I'm adding a little bit of my leftover gold paint on top of the bronze just to make it match my little gold terrarium. And here is my very large inspiration golden terrarium. I think it just turned out super cute. It's huge and I like how it turned out. I don't know what else to say, guys. I hope you guys liked it too. And this is the little pieces that I had matching. I mean, free is always the best when you just have everything on hand. And I want to just say thank you to Yami from the Latina Next Door and this fun challenge that I have always enjoyed doing. I hope you guys are inspired to recycle some things around your house and have some fun crafting. I hope everyone is well and staying safe, and I will see you guys next time.